Amara. I can do this. The top. Oh. Good morning. Day 3, and we are going on a adventure. Or try. Lord help me. We don't see these things in the US. We are going to the adventure day, and on the way in there is like this cute little shop where you can buy cute little things. Cute little shop where you can buy cute little things and art and gifts. These are so cute. Maybe I should bring something home. Maybe on the way back. This is so cool. This is such a cute. I keep probably saying cute too much. I'm like cute, cute, cute. That's the only word that I can think of, but this is so nice. It's so exciting. What is that? Oh my god. Have you seen the video before? What is that? Oh, look. Is that...
Which one's
Is that a...
the one behind that?
Oh, there's a peacock. Is it a peacock?
Yeah, way back.
A white peacock?
Oh, there's a dog.
It is a peacock, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, the white one. No, the white one.
These? I have no idea.
I know the roosters. Like, what about me?
Did you see the entryway table I have with the mountain goat head?
This is the mountain goat.
You have them there also?
Yeah. Our mountain range is about 35 million years old. As the continental plates started to converge about 35 million years ago, this whole area.
This is like... Why are not more people talking about
The
it?
woman sitting next to me on the plane is like, one of the really cool things about here is that you can be at the beach and then you can drive just...
My favorite too. Here we are. Hello. Where are we?
Göynük Canyon.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know. Something similar.
Turkish Riviera. What in the American Eagle is this? Yeah, you can climb the rocks if you feel like it. You do you, boo. Oh, Amara. Oh my goodness. Amara. You can actually eat this.
Of course you can eat this.
I know, it's Amara. We call it Amara.
Mulberry.
Mulberry. We call Amara in Brazil.
But you have to find the darker ones.
Yep.
And they will dye your fingers.
Yep. We used to use it as makeup.
Stay away from it.
I haven't eaten this in like so long.
This is what you get.
Yep. So when I lived in Brazil, we used to have a tree like this.
Did you eat it?
Yeah. You can actually eat it.
This one?
Yeah, the darker one. Yeah. Sorry. The content. There we go.
Those are the best.
Look at us. Look at us. Look at us.
It's like this.
Style cadenza in the wild.
In the wild.
Style in the wild. this is... Oh, I didn't realize how close we are coming to the edge. Too crazy. Maybe I should use both of my hands to hold this with a better grip. Leave up. Yeah. I don't think I'm physically built for this. If I want to do adventures, I think I need to go back to the gym, cut off the Pilates, go to the gym, or maybe just go back to Pilates, like to the stairs. But this is so cool, guys. Literally, if you come into Turkey, come to Antalya, because, well, go everywhere because everything's beautiful here, but I never thought about Antalya as my like travel destination, and now I'm like, why not? Because this is amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Here we go. Rafting, adventurous. It's giving. We go outside. We get grass.
We're outdoorsy.
We are doorsies. We are so adventurous. As we're doing it. Look at you. So adventurous. I choke myself. Kinda. It's very tight. At least it's protected. Nice and very safe and like very easy. And we're gonna do great. You do have like an amazing spot over there. I wish I were. Yeah, I cannot not do my.
Hello, teman-teman. Gimana tuh pelan-pelan?
Ladybugs. Oh, we do look like
Kalau ikhtar
really nice. And they're so adventurous. Oh, look at them. Good for them. It's just I like watching families like doing their little cute little things. The fun part, the workout. I stay behind, and I'm gonna say that I stay behind because I was setting up my phone, but in fact I'm really out of shape, like terribly. Go back to the US and start working out. That's the vibes. We made it.
30 minutes. Eat more dessert. Excuse us, are you guys walking from the resting area? You don't know English?
Oh,
Okay.
Извините, вы дошли оттуда пешком?
Oh.
Да, есть.
Сколько идти?
1,5 километра.
Like 20 minutes.
what do you think? Should we be okay? It's kind of like the pressure of like let's be. We are better than this. We can walk.
Worst comes to worst.
She came by pressure.
Here we are.
Wait, where's your boyfriend?
He's doing that adventure thingy.
Are you just left him behind?
Oh, did they go further than just that?
I don't
They
think
do like a climb and then like a hike and then they go back.
Oh, I
But
didn't
the
know.
one girl stopped because she was cold.
Oh,
Yeah, they kept going.
I didn't know that you could continue. I thought it was like once we got there and you can like turn.
That was the craziest boat ride.
Okay, now we're gonna go on a hike.
Now you're on the park.
We are hiking, peeps. wasn't you the person that was going to stay behind?
Yeah, I was going to stay there alone.
And you're like, everybody's coming, so I'm gonna come too. That's so funny.
Yeah, right? So,
Yeah, I love that. Teamwork, hiking time. I literally was talking about how I need to get in shape. Okay, this is the opportunity. Like God was like, yeah, get together, go walk. And here we are. Oh, the truck.
see?
Well, we are your peeps. I'll take the ride back. Hello. 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 Hi. I know. You're just vibing. Photos?
I give them a link.
Gonna try the zip line. Here we go. A little hike. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm so glad for these shoes. The shoes.
Oh my god, that was the best call.
Yeah. If I can flip. I'll do it. I'll do it for me.
Woo. Got extra weight.
Like, you should have a workout before coming here.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep good tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep good. Okay. I can do this. Oh my god. I'm literally like out of breath.
I'm so tired.
Me too. Like my mouth is so dry. This is so funny. Oh, we are high. Oh Jesus, don't say that. You nervous? It's fine.
This is so scary.
I know. Oh my god. This is a little bit too much for me. Really? This is nothing. There is nothing I can do. I'm a brave girl. I am a brave girl and I can do this. Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Just don't look down. Beautiful views up there. This is easily done. Easily done. Look up. Look up, down. I can do this. I can do this. Don't look down. Smile. Shoulders back because that gives you confidence. You are doing great, sweetie. Okay, here we go. Bye-bye.
Footwear because we'll be walking along the ancient cities.
Way back. Hotel. All of your buttons. All your buttons. This is our last. Technically, it's not our last night. It's tomorrow. Tomorrow we should go to the bar. Oh my goodness! This is stunning.
Fried shrimp dumpling, sipping clothes, shrimp and vegetable, boiled beef dumpling.
It's public transport energy for your attention.
I think so. I think this is. Yeah, we do have like buses. Cheers.